Hello, I'm Josh. Today we're going to sample some cymbals. These Zildjian Amir 2 cymbals. A 20-inch ride and a 16-inch crash. So, gotta figure out how we're gonna mic it and what mics we're gonna use. So let's check that out. Decided to keep it simple today. We're just going with the Shure SM7B and the Shure SM53. Just listening, playing the cymbal there, and listening to where it sounds. And around here you get a lot more low frequencies, so I don't want to get as much of those on the recording of the samples. So I moved it up a little bit there. And as always, correct me if I'm wrong, and share the good mic techniques. Yeah. So I've decided to limit myself to 16 samples per thing I'm sampling, so don't end up with hundreds of samples to edit like I did with the hi-hats. So I think I'm going to try to do 8 normal like stick hits, and then maybe we'll play around with hitting it with fingers, or maybe changing the mic placements for getting some more of that low end for a weird sound or something like that. Let's get it going. Got those 8 done. So what I did as far as playing them is I got a couple of hitting the edge of the ride with the side of the stick. Then I got a couple with the tip of the stick around this area, and then a couple with the tip of the stick around this area just before the bell. They sounded different. And then got some side stick on the bell. Yeah, let's get the I was thinking about doing some other weird stuff with this. Maybe I'll do it after. I think I'm gonna get the normal ones on the crash first, and then maybe we'll mess around with some weird stuff. All right. Now, play around, see if we can get some low frequencies out of it. See where the good spot is. Get real close and get some more low frequencies. So we'll see what we get. Maybe some gong sounding samples there. All right, so was listening, and you get the most low frequencies around this area. So I've got SM7B on one side and SM53 on the other, and I'm just gonna tap it with my finger, try to make sure I don't tap it too hard enough for it to swing up and hit either of the mics, but we should get some real gong like sound out of that. I'm hoping, but we'll find out. That's long enough. All right, let's get a couple with the crash. This one, it's got a little bit more resonance up closer to the bell than the ride did. So I think I'm gonna put the 53 up over there. Let's get a couple of those. That was no good. Okay, drills. All right, get those edited up, and we'll see you in the computer. Okay, so we're gonna get in here and edit these. So, well, let's listen to them. Okay, let's listen to that same hit, but just the SM7B. And let's check out the SM53. Some subtle differences. So that was the edge of the ride. You got two of each. So this is the not the edge, but inside towards the edge with the tip of the stick. Let's listen to the SM7B. And here's the SM53. Seems like the 53 is a little bit brighter. So I had about the same mic placement for both of them on that. Here's both of them. Let's check out a couple of the crash. I've mic'd that one a little too close, got a lot of low end. I think the 7B, the stand, slipped down a little bit. Maybe it's just that first hit had a bit more low frequencies in it. Check out these gong ones. That sounds pretty cool. That's the ride. That's the crash. But yeah, those are, I'm digging how those sound. I'm going to get them edited up, and we'll get them in a drum rack and get this session available for download. But I will be back after I do all the editing. All right. Got everything all edited, and got samples into a couple drum racks here. Oh, those sound cool. There it is. We'll see you next time.